उत्तर सदन पर रखा गया है।
Honorable Speaker, sir, we are well aware of the fact that the differently abled children in our schools require very special care and protection. Sir, online teaching for these children can only be a stopgap arrangement because they need personal care. Sir, if we go by the established norms, 3% of the children population, the population that goes to schools, out of these 3% of the children's population, in fact, those who are differently abled should be integrated with the school system. The norms say that 3% of these children are supposed to be differently abled and they should be integrated with the schools. But unfortunately, in India, 0.5% to 0.6% of these children have been detected and brought into the school system. So I would like to request Honorable Minister Education to let us know whether there is a roadmap, there is a strategy, there is a plan of action of Government of India to move from 0.5, 0.6% to 3% of these differently able children and integrate them with the schools.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
अध्यक्ष जी, भारत सरकार के माध्यम से चूंकि शिक्षा समवर्ती सूची में है, लेकिन फिर भी अभी दिव्यांग छात्रों के लिए अभी जो समग्र शिक्षा अभियान की बात हम कर रहे हैं, तो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में समग्र शिक्षा के माध्यम से कि सभी को बराबर की शिक्षा मिले, इस दृष्टिकोण से हम काम कर रहे हैं। और शिक्षा मंत्रालय के द्वारा लगातार राज्य क्षेत्र और नीतिगत पहलों, दिशा निर्देश, डेस्कटॉप, मोबाइल, टेलीविजन आदि के माध्यम से भी बच्चों की पढ़ाई, दिव्यांग बच्चों की पढ़ाई सुनिश्चित हो सके, इसके लिए हम लगातार प्रयास करते हैं। और सरकार के माध्यम से समय समय पर हम संघ राज्य क्षेत्रों को भी हम अपनी ओर से गाइडलाइन देते हैं कि किस तरह से वो बच्चों की पढ़ाई वो कर सके। और इसी के तहत आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जिस तरह अभी इस कोविड महामारी के समय में भी जो परेशानी हुई थी, पीएम विद्या के माध्यम से बच्चों की पढ़ाई जो कि लॉस न हो, लर्निंग लॉस न हो, उसके वजह से लगातार पढ़ाई ऑनलाइन डिजिटल माध्यम से चलाया जा रहा था। और इसी के तहत इस बार बजट में भी लगभग 200 डीटीएच चैनल की भी घोषणा आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने की है, ताकि सभी बच्चों को समान और गुणवत्ता युक्त शिक्षा मिल सके।
सप्लीमेंट्री।
Sir, to address the issue of learning disabilities of these differently abled children, we need to have a large pool of special educators all across the country. Sir, the Rehabilitation Council of India actually raises this pool, gives recognition to institutes to actually train people to become special educators. But unfortunately, I was going by the statistics, the RCI has given recognition to very few number of institutes across the country. So, sir, in this regard, I would like to ask whether the Ministry of Education, in association with the RCI, can think of a strategy by which, huge number of institutes, those who are eligible, can be given the recognition so that more number of special educators can come.
Honorable Minister.
Speaker, sir, this is a very genuine concern shown by Honorable Member and all the section of the House. Let me put forth, this is a very sensitive issue. Our government, when Prime Minister Modi took charge, he redefined the entire issue. Now, he has brought in who all are disabled, who all are divyang. In India, this is a very new issue. All these dysfunctions, malfunctions are there within our own family. But due to... Please, let me. I am not so expert like you, Taiji.
मंत्री जी, please, मंत्री जी,
please. Speaker, sir, this is a very sensitive issue. The thing, lot of...
मित्र लोग ज्यादा हैं आपके, इसलिए आप...
No, I am not expert like Tai.
इधर ही ले.
She is a knowledgeable lady, and is a very expert person. I am not so. So, with my little understanding, I would like to explain. If I cannot convince them, I will come to them. I will invite them, all of them, to my office, and we will interact. This is a very genuine issue raised by Honorable Member. Sir, there is a lack of awareness within society who all are they in disabled person in our family. Sir, when I took charge of this sector, in the initial days, within first week of my taking charge in the parliament, I face a question, dyslexia. Sir, I can candidly admit, I never heard this kind of terminology in my career. So when I asked my colleague, what is the Hindi? इसकी हिंदी क्या होता है? सर, हिंदी करने के लिए सर हमारे पास कोई वोकाबुलरी में शब्द नहीं था. हमारे घरों में इस प्रकार की बच्चे भी हैं. भारत में अभी जो देयर इज ए न्यू नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, lot of emphasis, lot of priority has given on this issue. Addition to that, during this COVID period, हमने तो डिजिटल एजुकेशन, दिशा टीवी वगैरह लगाए, लेकिन हाउ टू एजुकेट द डिसेबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज ए न्यू चैलेंज. We all are concerned, experts are working on that. I would like to seek advice of this house, how to create more trainer, more school, who all are dysfunctional, let us know them. Collectively, we have to face this challenge. We have to educate all these segments. According to me, the population of this category of different kind of disability is around 10%. How to handle them? This is a challenge. We all have to work together.
E.T. Mohammad Bashir ji.
Education of these differently able students is really deplorable, sir. The first